Our master bedroom. It's the suite. Hi. Bathrooms and suite.
Tingnan na, nakita kami ng ganyan.
Sino po yung ito niya?
Tingnan yung sa namin sa light.
Master's bedroom. Oh, walk-in wardrobe.
Apat yan eh. Maliliit yung sobrang baba ng ceiling, hindi pwede yun. Kaya pinaganda namin, dalawa, isa at saka yan. Oo, ginawa namin simple na lang ang sa harap at saka dito.
I have a mirror LED mirror for my vanity area. Go to the living room, kitchen. Living room.
Ibig sabihin ito, mga tataas sa pinto.
Oo, lahat po ng mga may sticker kasi hindi na madami.
This is the outside. We already have the Bermuda grass. Okay. This is our lovely kitchen. Finally, we already installed the chandelier. Pantry. Good size pantry. This will be the microwave area. Range hood, so slick, and the oven and the stove, and maybe the fridge area. Then this one is for all the cabinets. This is for the garbage. And this is our oven. Dishwasher, beautiful sink, all gold color, and it's very good size. Cutlery, right? Beautiful. One of the main components.
Oo, yun. Yung
container, yung...
Yung may, yung pala design sa inyo. Kasi ganun yun eh. Kadalasan nakikita namin. Kasi ito, yung mga pinturan na to, tinatago po yun sa taas yan. Kapag wala gagawin, just in case. Sa taas yan, tinatago. Opo.
Almost there, guys. This will be the washing machine and dryer area, laundry area. Still, this will be the garage. It's still nasty because someone still has to touch up the paint. But this will be the garage area. So huge. This is the entrance. the door to the rooms of the kids. The Alexis room. Sliding door. Linen cupboards. Linen. Very spacious. This bathroom. Just the tub. Toilet. Interior. Actually, I couldn't do the video for Margot's room because someone is painting it. You'll be back. So exciting, guys. You're getting here. So happy. Thank you.